Botox is a beauty basic these days when it comes to removing fine lines and wrinkles. We'll get the latest on achieving the best results from our go-to expert plastic surgeon, Dr. Joseph Ferrari.
Things you have to be cautious, injecting Botox, it does take knowledge. And that knowledge is where the muscles are, the depth at which the muscles are present, because the three main areas we do Botox, one muscle is very dispersed, very thin. Another muscle is a little deeper in the musculature, so it's always important to go with someone that has knowledge of the anatomy. Injecting into the wrinkle is, in my opinion, not the correct way to do it, but we're injecting into the muscles that cause the wrinkle. So if we'll see a lot of people will have vertical lines in this area, well, the muscle isn't actually here. That muscle extends from here to here. So this is where we're injecting Botox to address vertical lines between the eyes. So it's a matter of education. You can make sure you go to someone that's well-trained, well-educated, and you're going to be in a better position, or you're just probably wasting money.